In today's video, I'm going to talk about some really cool features that GoHighLevel website builder has that I should have tried earlier, and I really neglected them for a very long time. And now that I've started using them, it has made my website building experience very pleasant. I can build pages faster and things like that. And so I thought I'll, create this video so that it could be beneficial for anyone who is just starting out with GoHighLevel and trying their hand on the website builder. All right, here's the website builder. So the number one feature that I really didn't know, I really came across it a few days ago, was adding the custom values in the website builder. At first, when I started with GoHighLevel, I got a snapshot from my affiliate under whom I signed up. And when I loaded the snapshot on my account, I saw that the logos and all those things were automatically appearing on my website pages. So I was really confused how this could be possible. And then later I learned about custom values and how you should use it. So here's the thing that I recently learned again is the curved bracket. So it's this one. So when you click at this tab appears here, you can easily go to custom values, add your links, anything, images. You can also add user full name, all the things. So it's a very handy feature that has here in this website builder. So I recently came across this in a Facebook post. So I think this will be very helpful for anyone starting out and that wants to use the custom value while building their website page. Just click this bracket, this curved bracket, and the custom values will appear. So if you don't know what custom values is it's a feature that GoHighLevel has where you can store your links, images, and all those things, and just copy and paste the value anywhere you want to use it in your emails and all those things. So it's useful for quickly adding things like your website logo, address info, links to terms and conditions, privacy policies, and things like that. And another thing is when you share a snapshot with anyone, which includes your sites, the one who got the snapshot, they don't have to go and change all the things in the website and all again. All they have to do is go to the custom values and add their value links and data there, and it will magically appear in their website. So I'll show you how to use the custom values. Just go to your sub account dashboard, go to settings, and here it is, custom values. So these are the custom values. All you have to do is if you want to add your logo or any data here, you can just add the value here. For example, if you want to add a link to this page, for example, copy this, go to custom values, create new, enter the link here and the name of the value and create. And after that, you just have to copy that and you can use it anywhere. For example, I'll show you in this website. Just click this custom values here. It's now showing custom values review link Facebook. But when this website is live, the value that we added in this value will appear here, the link. So there's a very handy feature that GoHighLevel has. It really helps when you create websites for your clients. You can easily share with them the website. The only thing you have to do is change the value for each client. So the next one is writing with AI. You can see here I've written something here. Our system generates more leads organically. So all you have to do is just select it, or you can select only this. Let's say I'll select this, and here it is, the AI feature, improve the writing, and the AI will do its job. So it's great for someone who doesn't who's not great with English and writing copies and all, and you can just replace it. And here it is, our text has been changed. So this is another thing that I neglected a lot, and it makes it easier for you to quickly create content for a website page. I won't use it for blogs though, but still for website pages and content like that, it's really helpful. So before we move into the next one, I'd like to do a little bit of promotion here. This one's for new people who haven't started Go High Level yet and want to test it out, I have a free course for you where I've showed you how to get started with Go High Level and start your own SaaS business or an agency uh, as quickly as possible. And with the course, you'll also get access to my group where we interact with each other and try to help other and share strategies and all to build a successful SaaS business. So if you're interested, you can get the course. I'll leave the link to the course in the description below. All right, the next one, number 3. So this one is duplicating the block. For example, whenever I create content for Go High Level, the thing is, for example, I'll show you. When I add a paragraph here, the texts are always different and it's smaller in size also. So it takes time to select it and again change it to this the size to be similar. So it takes a lot of time to do that. So instead of that, you can do is just select the block, duplicate it if you are going to write the same things. It's handy because it makes it easier for you to write your content similar way and cuts a lot of time. This one's another trick that I really started implementing in Go High Level, and it has speed up my website creation process. So next one is global sections and section templates in Go High Level. Just go here, the global sections, for example FAQ. This one's a global section, and if you go to section templates, there are lots of them. Check out pricing block, footer and all. It's mainly important for the headers and footers for me, because whenever I want to change the things in the menu, I just have to change it in one place and it will be changed in the whole website. So this one is a great feature that you should be using when building your websites. All right, let's try it. I'll delete this one. Click here, go to global sections and the header. Let's place it here, and here it is. So it can be used over and over, and it is really helpful when it comes to creating your websites, new websites and all. And the other one is section templates. For example, let's add the checkout pricing block here, and there it is. So the difference between global and section templates are that with global sections, if you edit anything here, it will reflect on all the other places where you have added this block. But with sections, it won't reflect. You'll have to change it individually for each page. So it's a very important thing. Most of the time what happens is we forget to use these things, implement these things in our website. But you should be doing that so that the next time you work on your website, it gets easier for you to add your blocks and all. So how do you save that? I'll show you that also. For example, if you want to save this one, just go here, select the section and save, and you can name it whatever you want and add it to section template or global section, and that's it. And after that, you can use this block anywhere in the website the next time. And the next one is typography. So when I first started, I didn't even look at these things. What were these things? I was only using this for SEO and the pop-up, and all the things, other things I neglected. So the thing is, here's background. You can change your background colors and all. But I'll talk about typography because it's very important to maintain your branding when you are creating a website. So here's the thing, you just have to go to this typography, choose your headline font and your content font, and also the text color for the entire page and the link color. So for example, if you're branding this as your main color, you can change it to this color, I think this one. So the next time if you add a link to any of the text, this link and this color will appear. So the only thing that I wish it should have now is the ability to choose if we want to make this global in the whole website, or we do this for each page. But right now you'll have to choose this every time in each page that you create. But it's a very handy feature that you should be using in the website builder. And one more thing I like to add here, for this, to make it more smoother, you can go and implement the brand boards. Go to marketing, brand boards, create one. I'll make a video about it also in the coming days. So you can add your logo and all those things, colors and all. And after that, whenever you are working on your website, for example, you want to, I just showed you here, text, you want to change this color, just click it here and the brown colors will appear here. So you can choose it from here itself. So that's one cool thing again. The next thing is page selector. So um, I must have mentioned earlier somewhere in my video, not here, in other videos, that before I used to do blogging and all, and I mostly build my website on WordPress. So I had a bad habit of going back and going to another page to the edit another pages, or I would create open multiple tabs here, uh, multiple pages at once to work on different pages. But recently, I started checking this out and I found out that you can go to pages from here itself after saving. All you have to do is go to this tab, pages, and check out any other page. And you can, edit the whole website in a single tab. So this one's another thing that you should be using that makes it uh, quicker for you to, go from this page to different one and start editing the other page. And after the next one is the media. What I was doing was I always use Canva for my designs and all, because I'm not a good designer at all, and Canva is very resourceful for people like us. But I just recently checked the this feature out. For example, this is an image and you want to change it. You go here most of the time. What I do is I go new and upload. But here's the thing: you can check for backgrounds inside of GoHighLevel itself. So this is also a cool feature here. You can use any of the background for your website. The next one is you can go to Unsplash or Pixabay and type anything here. For example, you want to add a bag, search for it, and different kind of bags will appear here. So before I didn't know about this. So this one's also a very awesome feature that you can use inside of GoHighLevel. Or you can choose Pixabay and bags. Or you can also even try creating using AI, describe the things, and create images using AI inside of GoHighLevel itself. So I've just started using this a few days ago, so I thought this will be cool to share with you all. All right. So the next one is naming the sections and layers. So I never did gave any importance to this thing before. So what I'm telling is, for example, this block, you can change the name of it so that it becomes easier for you to later, find this section in the layers. You see, header section is written here very cleanly, FAQ footers. So if you name the section, it makes it easier for you to, later adjust the sections and all in your website. For example, before what I used to do is I'll go to a block, for example, this block, and I didn't try this layer out. So I would do is I will go here and send this upwards, downwards, things like that. But now that I've learned about this, you just have to go to these layers, go to pages, uh, go to this section. If you have named it, you can easily know which one you want to put ahead. You just have to drag and drop it to change their position. If they want, if you want them to appear first or after that, column one, column two. You just have to name that. For example, you want to add the section in top of this. Go and select. See, this one has gone up and this one down. So this is one another thing that you should be using. You can use to create your website faster and used to, move the different parts of the website easily. All right, the next feature, the blog visibility for mobile and web. So many of the times what happens is that in this, I'll show you in this one, this section. You're seeing that the picture is here and the paragraph is here. But when we go to mobile, the paragraph first appears and the picture goes down. So sometimes what you would like to do is you want the picture up. But if you change here, it will change here also. The picture will go here and the text will appear here. So what you can do is just select the block, copy it, and then you can go to advanced and select this block to not appear on mobile. Just select the web and then go to this block, same thing, advanced, select this for mobile only. You see, it's not appearing here in the web. It will appear in the mobile section. Now you can edit the image, send the image on top of the text, the paragraph, and it will appear similar as it was in the web view. So this was another thing. You can also hide the things like buttons, advanced, if you want them to appear on mobile or not. So this was another cool thing that you can do using this visibility feature. So that was it for the 9 features that I really wanted to share with you all. And apart from that, GoHighLevel has recently added many features. So the first one is the buttons. So before, when you add elements and buttons, now the animations are here. Before, the templates were here, but now you can go to add elements, buttons, and you can choose any one of them. So the templatized buttons are here instead of this place now. And one more feature that they added is really helpful for building pages in your website is the pre-built sections. You can see here there are lots of them. Welcome section, about section, team section, pre-built testimonials. So it has become easier for anyone to build website with GoHighLevel. Just drag it, edit them, because if you make this from scratch, it will take a lot of time for you to create. Now just you can just drag it, change the background according to the color of your pages that you are using right now. And also a few days ago, I was searching for the social media icons. Before, it was in the elements itself, but a few days ago I couldn't find it, and I had to search it where was the social media icons and all. Then later I got to know that it was here, so it has been moved to here, social media icons. Go there and you can choose any one of these 5 social media items. Just drag it here, and here it is. You can add your links here and all those. So the next feature update is countdown timer. Go to marketing, countdown timers. You can create a new one. Here are some pre-built ones. You can choose one of them, edit them, continue with this template, and you can edit the time and all those things, the timing, time zone, add links and all, and save this. Then you go to the website, go to elements, countdown timers, and it will appear here. I'll have to refresh this. All right, elements, countdown timers, and it's here. You just have to drag it, and the timer will appear here. So here it is. So this is also really cool addition to GoHighLevel's bunch of features. And apart from that, now you can add stores to your website. Store, add a site, and the store will appear here. So this was another update to GoHighLevel website. And the next one is you can purchase domains right inside of GoHighLevel now. Go to settings, domains, and here it is. Before this was not here. Purchase a domain. Go purchase, select the domain. Let's say or .com. You can just click buy and get the domain inside of GoHighLevel itself. And if you are an agency owner, you can also get a markup, just like SMS and email usage on domains. Also, you can resell it in a higher price. Add your markup for any domain. For example, if it's $11 domain, you can add, you can set it to $2 or $3 higher in your agency account. And when your client in their sub account they purchase a domain, they will get it for 14 or $15. But it's only available in the SaaS plan, not in the agency plan. So you'll have to be in the SaaS plan, the $497 plan, to. But still, if you're in the agency plan, still your clients can purchase it easily, but without any markup. You won't be making any profit from it. Anyways, this is a great addition to the GoHighLevel's large list of features. Now let's talk about the color picker. Everybody knows that before you'll have, if you want to change the color of a text, for example, you will have to select this, go to settings, and here was the color picker. But now you can see it's here itself. Just take the text, go to color. As I showed you the brown board earlier, if you have created it, the colors will appear here. You can just use it anytime. For example, before you had to, there was something here, you had to add a new color, pick a hex and add it. And it was very tedious to do. But now you can easily create a brown board, use the color anywhere in your website. You can also use the brown board colors in emails, funnels, and other places too. So that's all the features that I wanted to share with you. Now, once again, if you are someone who want to start a SaaS agency with GoHighLevel, you can check out my free course. I'll leave the link in the description. And if you would like to learn about how to build a website with GoHighLevel, check out the next video.